We're going to write a poem called A Sin Cane. Just taught me how to say that. I don't know how to say the word. Okay, and it just looks like this. This is just kind of like the basic structure and stuff. But before we do this, we're going to go to the board. And I have a bunch of words. And I'm going to have you sort them by the kind of word they are. A noun, verb, or an adjective. And if you need any help, either one of us can help you.
Sometimes it rhymes. It's usually, in other parts it's like when you write and you go here to run out of room. Or if you use start from the left, you go on right ways, and maybe there's some more room, and you've got a big word, like no longer word that won't fit. So you put it on the next one because it won't fit this one. So there's more space. Poems are usually centered.
Yeah.
So they'll go like this rather than,
Yeah.
and sometimes they rhyme. They usually have like a lot of feeling, and a lot of them at times they have like adjectives and stuff with them, and like they're full of feeling basically. Wouldn't this be an adjective? Verb?
Yeah, that one's a verb. Have you noticed any of them that can be both?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, there's a couple of those. Do you want to make a separate thing for those ones?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. All right. There you go.
Wouldn't this be an adjective?
You pick. It could be either one, or you can pick that one. Yeah, it works there. That one can be all three. That one's a tricky one. Yeah, I want to see it. That's like when they have a runny nose.
Oh.
Yeah. It's like the kind of thing. Yeah.
I think this one is more verb.
Mm-hmm.
This one has verbal too.
That one's a noun. Because that one's like what you're picking. Yes. It's the thing. You get down. So. All right, so how many of them do you think could be both? Like, do you think it's just those three, or were there some other ones that you weren't sure about?
I think there was some other ones too.
Yeah. All right, good to go with words. You know your parts of speech. All right, now we're going to look at the poem. And the reason I had you do the different types of speech is because that's how you write the poem. So like you start with a noun, and then you move on to some adjectives, and then verbs, and then just like a little like sentence kind of thing, and then a synonym. Do you know what a synonym is?
It's a word that's it's like same or similar.
Yeah, it means the same thing, but it's just a different word. Okay, so what do you want to write about? Like, do you understand the poem is? Like, do you get it? How to do it? Yeah, I wrote mine about school because I've been doing lots of homework lately. All right, so what do you want to write about? You can pick anything you want, or you can use any, like you can use the words up on the board if you want to use those instead.
Frozen.
Frozen? Oh, like the movie? Yeah, I love that movie.
Yeah, I got it the day it came out.
I still haven't bought it yet, but I've watched it like a million times.
So,
I have a pencil somewhere. I'll get that for you. Because then we'll move on to the fun glittery markers. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So, what do you want to write about it? You want to write about a character? Do you want to just write about the movie?
Anna.
Okay. So let's start. Alright, so
Should I start writing Anna?
yeah, you can start. Okay. So what are 2 adjectives that describe her?
She's adventurous.
Mm-hmm.
You write that.
ADVENTOUROUS. Yeah, that looks right.
Alright. Well, she jumps a lot.
Alright. Okay.
Do you want to just put that?
Yeah, this is good. Alright. Okay, so with the verbs, they need to end in an ing to fit the poem. Because, you know, this is one of those ones where it matters what the structure is. Okay? Alright. Okay, so now we just need like a sentence or something that describes her. What's something she does in the movie?
She's desperate for love. I don't know.
Yeah, we can put that. She is. Alright. And now we just need a synonym. What's another word to describe her? What else is she? I don't know. She's a girl. She's a sister. She's a princess. Any of those words? Yeah, I can do any of those. Alright. So now, figured this one out pretty easy. Yeah? Alright, well, we're going to make it pretty now. So, you want to rewrite it with the pretty markers? Alright. So you can do that in all of your colors, and then we'll glue it to one of the construction papers. And then you can make it all pretty and take it home. So do you like learning about poetry? Like, have
That's
you done it at school and stuff?
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, that's fun. What other kinds of poems do you like?
I like to, writing poems are kind of fun.
Mhm.
That's basically another type of poem like
Yeah, just all the fun rhyming ones. Well, there's ones that are like haikus that are fun. They're you write different, like the syllables of each word, and there can only be so many in each line. I don't remember how many. I think it's like 5, like 8, and then 5 more. Yeah. Those are fun. I don't know what other kinds of poems.